Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my students?
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Fine.
wabarakatuh. Fine.
I'm great.
How about
You
you?
look, I'm fine too, thanks. Are you ready to study with me today?
Yes,
Yes,
of course.
Ready.
All right. Have you had lunch?
Yes.
No, I
We
haven't.
just have lunch. We just got
Lenny.
have lunch.
What did you eat?
I eat my friend. Because
Really? Aris,
ya,
what did you eat?
karena sekarang lagi musim
I have not-
teman-teman.
What did you eat, Aris?
I have
For lunch?
anything, ma'am.
Oh,
No, I
all
haven't.
right.
Haven't eat
Good.
anything.
All right. I hope you have had lunch because today we are going to study together and all of you must be healthy. All right, students, before we starting our lesson, it is better if we pray together. So, Aris, can you lead the prayers, please?
Okay. Okay, class. Before the lesson, let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, thank you. Now I will check the
You're welcome.
absent. It seems all students are present today. There are Wa'ode, Reni, Aris, Maria, and Toyib. Thank you for joining my class.
Bismillah.
Now, today, this is our second meeting, and last week we watched the video about Sangkuriang. Did you still remember the story about Sangkuriang?
No.
Yes.
No.
No, really?
Samboriang, aku ingatnya Miss.
No, this is Sangkuriang, Tangkuban
Oh,
Perahu.
ya.
Yes, I know, Miss.
It told us about the son who fell in love with his mother. Where did the story take place? Atau di mana kejadian tersebut terjadi? In Java. Where is the city exactly? City-nya di mana nih? In Bandung. Good job,
Bandung.
Lenny. Oke. Barusan Ibu bertanya menggunakan did. Sengaja karena hari ini kita akan belajar tentang materi tenses, yaitu tenses simple past tense dan juga tenses past continuous. Nah, mengapa kita harus mempelajari tenses simple past tense dan past continuous? Karena if we want to speak or write in English correctly, we have to know about grammar. Salah satunya adalah tentang tenses, especially when you want to take a test like TOEFL, like IELTS, and etc. Or if you want to go abroad, or you get a scholarship, misalnya kamu mendapat beasiswa, kamu harus bisa menulis sesuai dengan tata bahasa Inggris yang benar, ya, seperti itu. Nah, lalu untuk penilaian, nanti Ibu akan menilai sikap, lalu menilai pengetahuan kalian, ya. Nanti akan diberikan LKPD, di mana kalian akan mengubah kalimat ke dalam bentuk positif, negatif, dan interrogatifnya berdasarkan tensesnya, yaitu tenses dari simple past tense dan juga past continuous. Do you get it what I say?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
ma'am.
Yes, I get it. Yes, I do.
Alright.
I do
But
get.
before we study about past tense and also past continuous, I would like to show you a PowerPoint. There are some picture on the PowerPoint, ya. Jadi sekarang Ibu mau share screen dulu tentang PowerPoint yang nanti ada gambarnya. Oke. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, there are two pictures. Number one is, are you hungry? And then, do you hungry? Which one is the true sentence?
Are you?
Oh,
Are you hungry?
The first one.
Are you hungry?
the first one. Okay. And then the second picture. Do you see the movie or are you see the
Do
movie?
you see the movie?
Are you see the movie?
Do you see the
you?
movie?
Do you see the
Okay. Maria,
Yes,
why?
Mom.
Why you choose are you hungry, then do you hungry as a true answers? Kenapa kamu memilih are you hungry bukan do you hungry?
Because my opinion, hungry is an adjective, so we have to choose news to be art plus subject to complete adjective. So I choose
Okay.
are you hungry?
Okay, students, are you hungry is an example of nominal sentence. Jadi, are you hungry itu adalah contoh dari kalimat nominal. Kalimat nominal itu adalah kalimat yang simpelnya atau sederhananya itu menggunakan kata sifat atau kata benda. Contohnya, does it pen atau is it a pen? Pen itu kata benda, kata sifat, kata kerja.
No.
Noun, kata benda.
Kata
Noun,
benda.
benda.
Berarti kata benda itu tadi kata ibu harus menggunakan apa? Nominal kalimatnya.
Nominal.
Berarti is it a pen? Kenapa nggak are it a pen?
Because it's only one.
Because the subject is it, right, Aris? And
Right.
then the second one, do you see the movie, is a verbal sentence. Ini adalah kalimat verbal. Kalimat verbal itu adalah kalimat yang menggunakan kata kerja langsung. Di sini mana kata kerjanya?
See.
See. Oke, good job
Oh iya
ya.
betul.
Jadi, do you see the movie? Bukan are you see the movie,
movie.
karena dia adalah kalimat verbal ya, seperti itu. Oke, Ibu akan tunjukkan lagi di sini ada kata-kata yang terkait dengan materi yang akan kita pelajari, yaitu simple past tense dan juga past continuous. Waode,
Yes.
can
Yes,
you
miss.
read this sentence?
Yes, of course. Verbal sentence. You
This
ate
one.
Okay, you ate apple.
Oke, you ate apple. Bahasa
You-
Indonesianya apa?
Kamu makan apel.
Kamu makan apel. Oke, now Reni,
Yeah.
can you read this?
The second
The
what?
second sentence?
You didn't eat apple.
You did not eat apple. All right, good job. Aris, can you
Yes.
read it?
Nominal.
Yes, no, verbal, this one.
Oh, you did not eat apple.
You.
No.
Did you eat apple?
Did you eat apple?
Did you eat apple?
Ah,
All right.
You guys are naughty. You guys
I
are
feel
naughty,
sleepy.
no?
I'm sorry.
Did you eat apple? Okay. All right, student. Look at the presentation. Number one is a positive sentence. It means there are no kata-kata no in the sentence. Kata-kata not in the sentence. Number dua ada you did not eat apple. Nomor tiga itu adalah kalimat negatif. Yang ketiga adalah did you eat apple? That is interrogative sentence. Look at you at apple. Toyib, where is Toyib? Toyib,
Toyib escape. Go to the canteen.
Toyib, are you
Toyib
still there?
escape.
Okay, okay, Toyib, can you guess what you itu termasuk apa? You isn't
Subject.
subject. Okay.
Subject
Can
miss.
you mention the subject except you?
I,
We,
they,
name.
he, she,
We see it.
it.
All
Name.
right. All right. The subject consists of you, I, we, they, she, and he. It.
Name
And-
too, Miss.
Oh yes, name. For example, Reni. Reni becomes apa di subject?
Subject.
Subject.
Become apa di subject?
Huh? Become she.
Oke,
She,
good.
oh
Kalau
ya,
misalnya Reni and Aris?
Become they.
Oke.
They.
Kalau if Reni, Aris, and saya, and me?
We. Yeah. We.
Good job. Good job.
Okay.
All right. Look at the you at apple. This one, where is the verb?
At.
At.
Where is the verb at? Okay. What verb? First
The
verb,
second verb.
Okay, the second verb.
Past verb.
And the apple is the object. So
Object,
if I okay, sorry. sorry. So if I write this, you means subject, and then at means predicate, verb, and then apple means object,
Object.
right? So can you guess what tenses used in the
Past.
sentence?
Simple
Simple past.
Simple
Why
past.
simple past?
Because
Because
that
the
is very
the
simple.
The
Only
verb is
consists of subject and verb too.
Because the
Okay,
verb
good.
because
is
the verb,
how
Miss, the verb is
kata
past
kerjanya
verb.
menunjukkan
Okay,
bentuk
good.
lampau, Bu.
Oke, good. Kata kerjanya menunjukkan bentuk lampau. Kata kerja pertamanya apa?
It,
It.
It. Kata kerja kedua,
at,
Ate,
and then the third,
eaten.
eaten. Oke. Itu kata kerja. Berarti kalau kata kerja dia menggunakan verbal atau nominal? Sini sudah ada menggunakan
Verbal.
verbal, ya,
Verbal.
karena dia sudah menuliskan kata kerjanya yaitu at. You ate apple, itu kalimat positif. Berarti kalau kalimat negatifnya you did not eat apple.
Kenapa
Kenapa
Miss
tidak, Du?
pindah ke verb 1 lagi kan udah tadinya verb 2. Kenapa enggak you did not eat apple?
Alright, why you did not add apple? Kenapa kembali lagi ke verb 1? Karena ada di depannya, ya. Jadi kalau misalnya ada di depannya memakai verb 1. Nah, ini disebutnya kalimat apa? Simple
Past tense.
past tense. Oke, jadi ini adalah simple past tense, ya. Ini adalah kalimat simple past
Past
tense.
Past tense.
Nah, kalau kalimatnya verbal, berarti verbal itu berteman dengan did, ya. Tidak berteman dengan to be. Ibu mau nanya nih kepada WOD. Can you mention the to be?
To be, I
To
miss
be.
R.
To be yes, to be present.
I miss R.
Aramis,
Kalau
Aramis.
Okay, RM is, and then to be
yeah.
past tense.
was, were,
Was word.
First word, ya, bagus. Jadi ini adalah karena dia tidak ada to be-nya. Di sini ada to be-nya tidak?
tidak ada.
Tidak ada, ya. Yang
Ya,
ada
nggak
hanya
ada,
you
Miss.
sebagai subjek, at sebagai predikat
Verb.
atau verb, and then apple sebagai objek. Berarti rumusnya adalah simple past tense itu subjek ditambah.
Subject plus verb
Verb
2.
Oke, berarti subjek plus verb 2 ditambah
Object.
objek. Alright. Alright.
Oh, I love this.
Okay.
Yes, we study
Oh.
together, Miss.
All right. When you want to write interrogative sentence,
Did.
how
Did
to
you
write it?
Did.
You put the
Did.
did and then
Plus
subject
subject,
and then
Verb 1.
object. Verb 1 and then
Object.
object?
object. Right. Why I write it instead of at?
Because there is did.
Because there is
There is
did
did. Yes.
in front of the sentence, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this one, these are verbal sentence using past tense. And now, look at the sentence color green. It was alive. It is positive sentence. It, you can say it as an subject.
Subject.
And then was
We.
To be.
To
to
be.
be. And then alive,
Adjective.
Adjective.
adjective. So you can write on your reading book subject plus to be and then plus adjective.
Adjective.
Okay, subject plus to be plus adjective. It is also simple past tense, but this is different with the first one because it is used to be. There is no verb. You can see there is no verb, right?
Yes,
Ada
ma'am.
verbnya
Right.
tidak?
No.
Tidak ada verbnya.
No.
Kalau syarat sebuah kalimat itu apa?
There is subject and verb.
Predikat.
Oke, dari subject and verb itu syarat sebuah kalimat,
Predikat.
ya. Ya, Pak Toyib, syarat sebuah kalimat apa?
Ya, kalimat mengambil untuk subjek dan
Predikat.
predikat itu.
Okay,
Object.
subject and verb. It was alive. It subject was to be and then alive adjective. So there is no verb. Jadi verbnya digantikan oleh to be ya. Jadi it was alive. When you say it alive or you say it pen, that's not correct. Itu tidak benar meskipun misalnya orang lain mengerti. Misalnya it pen, ini adalah pulpen misalnya. Tapi kamu tidak menyebutkan isnya, berarti kalimatnya salah. Tapi dimengerti tidak oleh kita, dimengerti. Tapi secara grammatical, that's not correct ya. Ini verbal, you ate apple, it was alive, it was not alive. Lalu di bawahnya was it alive, ini merupakan past tense. Merupakan kalimat past tense ya. Jadi ini adalah kalimat past tense versi verbal dan juga nominal. Oke, next kita ke selanjutnya. Sebentar dulu. Oke, lihat di sini. Sorry. Look at the sentence on the screen. The yellow one. Reni, can you read the sentence?
Sorry. They were singing an English song.
And then the below one?
They were singing an English song.
And then?
Were they singing an English song?
Okay, good job. Number one is a positive sentence. Number one adalah kalimat positif karena tidak ada kata notnya. Nah, yang nomor dua ada notnya tidak?
Ada.
Ada, bagus. They were not singing an English song. Itu adalah kalimat negatif ya. Negatif. Nah, di sini lihat they itu merupakan apa tadi?
Subject.
And then were, kalau were merupakan apa?
To be.
Oke.
Budesinya,
To be.
Oke, to be. Kalau misalnya singing? Oke, verb ing ya. Berarti kita bisa tuliskan apa pola kalimatnya?
Subject plus was or were.
Was or were means to be plus singing verb one plus ing plus an object ya. Jadi rumus dari past continuous adalah subject ditambah to be ditambah verb ing ditambah object. Is it different with the simple past tense?
Mau nanya.
Okay, good.
Mau nanya.
What question?
Kalau misalnya tadi kata Ibu patternnya subject plus to be plus verb ing ya untuk simple past tense. Kalau begitu apa bedanya sama simple present tense? Kan sama simple present tense juga subject plus to be plus verb ing. Kenapa nggak langsung aja ditulis subject plus were or was plus verb ing biar kelihatan kalau itu buat continuous past gitu.
You can, okay, thank you Reni for the questions. You can write it with to be present or to be past tense. If you write it in to be present, so it means it has it has three to be, are, am, is. If you write it on to be past tense, it only has two to be. There are, was, and also were. Now we are talking about past continuous. So the pola kalimat atau the structure atau the formula adalah subject ditambah to be past tense ditambah verb ing ditambah object seperti itu. Bedanya dengan present continuous.
Biar kami anak-anak nggak pusing ngebedain kalau misalnya ada tiba-tiba ada pattern gitu. Subject plus to be plus verb ing lah ini continuous present atau continuous past gitu.
Oke, ya boleh seperti itu ya. You can write it to be past tense or you can write it a subject was or were plus verb ing plus object. Can you get it?
Yes, miss.
Get it.
I understand this.
Okay, now we look at the green one. Waode, can you read
Yes,
it?
I'm here, Miss. She was being polite.
And then?
She was not being polite.
Polite.
Was she being polite?
Okay. When you read being, not being, but being
Being, okay, thank
polite.
you. Being
She was
polite.
being
Okay.
polite. She was not being polite. Was she being polite? So it is
Being.
different. Number one is a positive sentence, and number two is a negative sentence, and the last one is interrogative sentence. Nah, kalau misalnya, Bu, kenapa harus memakai being? Karena kan rumusnya adalah past continuous. Kalau tidak memakai being, nanti she was polite. Itu akan menjadi past tense.
Is-nya
This
nge-freeze.
is the phrase.
Sayanya nge-freeze ya? Ya, tadi saya menyebutkan kalau misalnya
Tense.
Waode hanya
Ya,
menuliskan
Miss.
she was
Kalau past tense
polite.
enggak. Oh iya betul.
Kalau past tense she was polite berarti nanti jadi past tense karena kan she subject, was to be past
be,
tense.
ya.
Polite itu apa? Adjektif, kata kerja atau
Adjektif.
misalnya kata benda, kata sifat ya. Berarti setiap kata sifat
Adjektif.
harus ya.
Adjektif.
Berarti setiap kata sifat harus didahului oleh to be. She was
To be, ya.
being polite.
Being
She was not
polite.
being polite. Was she being polite? Nah, seperti itu ya.
Berarti
Oke.
itu oke,
Okay,
Miss.
Miss.
Kalau misalnya ada
Okay, Miss.
Sorry, nge-freeze. Can you get it? Sorry. Halo,
halo.
Halo.
students.
Yeah, we
I
are
cannot
here,
see.
Miss.
Okay. Maybe I stop share the video. If you want to ask me something, you can raise your hand and ask me questions about the explanation of simple past tense and past continuous.
Okay,
Before
Miss.
we watch the video. Any question? No? Reni?
Ya.
Maria? Yes.
Aku
What
udah
question?
raise hand itu, Ibu.
Bagus. What question?
Questionnya, bagaimana cara menerjemahkannya ke dalam bahasa Indonesia yang past continuous?
Yang past continuous. Iya, kalau
Ya kan
misalnya
di situ sudah sedang I was being polite. Saya sudah sedang sopan gitu. Jadi gimana
okay,
kalau
I get it your
diterjemahkan ke dalam
questions.
bahasa Indonesia?
I get it your questions. In past tense, when you say someone she was polite, berarti dia dulu sopan. Tapi sekarang ketika sudah diucapkan, berarti dia tidak sopan. Tapi when you say she was being polite, it means dia tiba-tiba bersikap tidak sopan. Jadi sopannya itu pas sekarang saja. Biasanya dia sopan seperti itu, ya. Jadi itu perbedaannya. Kalau untuk tulisan itu sama saja. She was polite or she was being polite itu sama saja, dia bersikap tidak sopan atau dia tidak sopan seperti itu, ya. You get it what I say, Reni?
No, I mean in Indonesia gimana diterjemahkannya?
Iya,
Kan kalau
diterjemahkan.
Itu kan
Iya.
meaningnya, itu kan maknanya. Kalau maknanya
Iya,
berarti itu sudah. Kalau diterjemahkan secara literally-nya gimana?
Dia bersikap sopan, dia bersikap sopan, ya, dia
Kan gitu.
sopan dan dia bersikap
Soalnya ada
sopan.
being kan, kalau being itu right now, continuous itu right now kan?
Iya, maksudnya itu kalau misalnya ditulisnya itu sama, tetapi hanya perbedaan artinya saja. Jadi kalau misalnya di dalam arti, kalau memakai past tense, she was polite, berarti dia dulu sikapnya sopan. Tetapi ketika sekarang sudah tidak sopan. Iya.
Past continuousnya.
Nah, jadi kalau misalnya di past continuousnya, itu dia bersikap sopan. Dia bersikap sopan, tapi tidak usah ditulis perbedaan saja gitu. Hanya untuk dimengerti saja.
Kalau yang begini.
Dia sedang bersikap sopan.
Kalau yang misalnya yang negatifnya. Yes. Kalau yang misalnya negatifnya she was not being polite. Jadi artinya kalau secara bahasa, secara literally diterjemahkannya menjadi dia sudah sedang tidak sopan, begitu?
Dia dulu sedang tidak sopan. Seperti itu. Kan past continuous. Dia dulu
Iya.
sedang tidak sopan. Dia tidak sopan di waktu dulu. Kalau misalnya, tapi itu hanya ada dalam perbedaan artinya saja. Jadi kalau misalnya kalau dalam past continuous itu berarti dia sopan, dia terbiasa sopan, tapi tidak sopan. Lalu menjadi tidak sopan. Tapi kalau memakai being berarti dia sedang bersikap tidak sopan. Biasanya dia sopan seperti itu. Kalau untuk
Berarti itu-
ditulis,
Mm-mm.
kalau untuk
Kan
ditulis,
itu mas secara
berarti-
makna kan, itu kan secara
Iya.
makna, ini secara
Iya.
literally looks gitu.
Kalau literally ya berarti ditulisnya sama saja dengan yang past tense. Dia bersikap sopan, dia bersikap tidak sopan. Dia dia sedang tidak sopan. Dia sikapnya sekarang tidak sopan. Mungkin bisa ditambahkan dengan keterangan waktu seperti itu. Karena kan kalau antara bahasa
Oke.
Indonesia dengan bahasa Inggris kan ada beda ya.
Okay, that's
Kalau
got it.
misalnya di bahasa Indonesia,
Because we are just senior high, don't know anything, you know.
yeah, okay. I know your questions, but I try to explain as my knowledge. So I hope you can understand what I explained to you. Reni, can you get it? I can hear your voice, Reni.
Oh,
Mute.
I got it.
Okay. Now, okay, everyone, everybody. Now I will share screen
Kaca.
about the video. I will share screen the video that using simple past tense and also past continuous. You watch it carefully, and then I will give you some questions about the video, right?
Okay.
Trip to Brazil. Did you have fun?
Oh, hi, Shelley. Yeah, Brazil was great. I had so much fun. But the travel was anything but.
Oh, what do you mean?
Well, it was a long journey, to say the least. The way there was everything but smooth. I had to take 2 buses, a train, and 2 airplanes. I was so tired that when I finally got to my hotel in Brazil, I fell straight to sleep.
Oh no. What happened?
Well, first I had to get on a bus to get to the airport. I had bought a ticket for the bus the day before, but then I lost it.
Okay, Maria, can you guess the tenses that he said? Then I lost it. What is the tenses?
I lost it.
Can you guess
Simple
it?
past, miss.
Simple past. Okay, good. Who answer?
Simple
Wow,
past.
I
this.
lost.
Okay.
Simple past.
I lost it.
Yes.
Simple past.
lost
Why
it.
you say it? You answer it with simple past?
The
Because
verb-
there is
the verb, miss. The
subject
verb
and
is past.
verb too.
There
Okay,
is a
because there
verb.
is verb,
Verb
the
too.
second verb, lost.
Yes.
It.
Lost.
Okay, now we continue the
I
video.
looked everywhere for it, but I couldn't find it. It must have fell out of my pocket somewhere. So finally, I had to buy a new one.
Oh, that sounds frustrating. You mean they wouldn't just give you a new one when you showed them the receipt?
I didn't have the receipt. I lost that too.
Lost that.
It was a complete waste of money. Anyways, I got on the plane. Then we were stuck on the runway for about an hour. The movies were terrible. and the food on the plane was disgusting. I couldn't sleep because the guy that was sitting next to me.
Okay. Because the guy that was sitting next to me. Waode, can you guess what the sentence? The guy that was sitting next to me.
Simple past continuous, Miss.
Why? Simple past continuous.
Because there is
The
a
guy
to be,
is okay. There is
there
to
is to be was, and the verb
was
is verb ing.
verb ing. Okay, so the pola kalimat used in past continuous is subject, was or were, and then verb ing, and then object. The guy is subject, was is to be past tense, and sitting is a verb ing.
Yes.
Right? Do you get
Yes,
it,
miss.
students?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, next.
I got it.
Okay, next we continue the video.
Was snoring the entire flight. I tried to use earplugs, but they didn't work. It was really stressful.
It's very stressful.
When we landed, I had to get on a train to another terminal for my next flight. Well, the layover was really short, since the plane arrived later than scheduled. So I had to run as fast as I could.
Oh no. Did you have your ticket for the train?
Yes, but the train was jam-packed. I couldn't find anywhere to sit down.
How terrible.
Yes, I was standing and walking so much. My feet were killing me. I couldn't sleep on the plane at all. The food was terrible, and I could barely keep my eyes open at that point.
Did you get to sleep on your next plane?
No, not at all. I was sitting next to a mother with her baby, and the baby cried the whole time.
Okay, students, I will stop share. After you watching the video, can you guess, did he enjoy the trip?
No, he didn't.
No, at all.
No, he didn't. What happened during his trip? Do you still remember what happened to him during his trip?
I forgot.
He lost his wallet.
Okay, he lost his
Forgot about the
wallet.
dialogue.
He lost his wallet, and then
Apa lagi?
he couldn't eat the food because the tastes were disgusting. Dia tidak bisa makan makanannya karena rasanya tidak enak. And the man who was sitting next to him, snoring all the time, travel. Jadi laki-laki yang duduk di sebelahnya dia ngorok tidurnya sepanjang perjalanan sehingga dia tidak bisa tidur dan lain sebagainya ya. Jadi tadi adalah video tentang past tense dan past continuous yang bertema pengalaman tidak menyenangkan yang dialami oleh si tokoh ketika pergi kemana?
Brazil.
Where did he go? Okay, good.
Brazil.
Ode, good job. Brazil ya. Berarti tadi sudah ditonton videonya. Nah sekarang Ibu akan memberikan sebuah pertanyaan. Ibu akan share screen pertanyaan yang harus kalian isi, sebuah kalimat rumpang or the missing word that you have to fulfill with the correct answers. Untuk students yang bisa mengisi, nanti Ibu akan membagi students ini ke dalam beberapa kelompok ya. Nanti Reni dengan Toyib dan Mbak Ode dengan Maria ya.
Ini ya.
Dengan Aris juga.
Okay, Paris man.
So I divided the group in the people into 2 group. Jadi ibu membagi orang-orang di sini ke dalam 2 grup ya. Leni dengan Toyib, Maria, Aris, and then Waode bergabung bertiga.
Okay, Miss.
Yeay, aku dengan Toyib lagi.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Welcome back.
Okay, I'll give you 5 time. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer these questions. For those who know the answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, I will wait for you.
Anna and
Nih,
William.
number 1, Miss.
Okay, number 1, good job. Leni.
Anna and William were not playing in the garden.
Okay,
Number
we're
2,
not
B.
playing in the garden.
Number
What
2.
is the tense used in the question number 1?
Past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense. What is the verb?
Playing.
Playing. Okay, good job. Number 2, Aris. Aris, can you read the question? The sentence?
Heinrich was.
Ya Allah. I'm sorry, there is a problem with my laptop.
Fine.
Oh,
Heinrich was
blah blah blah.
Okay, now.
reading.
Cleaning.
Apa sih?
Cleaning.
Cleaning the pool.
Okay,
Cleaning the
number
pool.
2.
Kelihatannya book.
Oh,
Les.
ya, nomor 1 berarti isinya were. Nomor 2 adalah cleaning
Cleaning.
the pool, ya. And then number 3, the rabbit was
Rabbit
Waode.
was jumping out.
Jumping out of fence. Okay, good job. And then Maria, number 4.
He was.
He was blah 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 polite. What does
Being.
polite mean? Being.
Being.
Okay,
Sopan.
good job.
Sopan.
Number 4
Being.
is being. Toyib, number 5.
Yeah, Toib. He was not
Reading.
reading.
Reading
was
not.
some book. Okay,
Reading
she
some
was
book,
not
okay.
reading some book. Number 6, Aris.
She was, what does it mean?
She was.
He was.
She was scared.
Scared.
Okay, she was scared. What is scared in bahasa?
Takut.
Takut.
Good job.
Atut.
Number 7, I blah blah blah. Who want to answer number 7?
I play.
I played.
Football with my
I
friend.
played.
Okay, good
Good
job,
job,
Maria.
Maria.
Number 8,
We read the book yesterday.
did we read the books yesterday?
Oh, yeah.
Apakah kita membaca buku kemarin? Ya.
Where we
Number-
read the books yesterday.
Oke. Itu
Did.
kalimat apa, Maria? What is the
Kalimat
kind of sentence?
interrogative sentence, ma'am.
Oke, interrogative sentence, nominal or verbal sentence?
Verbal.
Verbal.
Nominal,
Sentence.
verbal. Why you answer verbal?
There is a verb.
The verb.
Yes, there is
There is a verb.
verb.
Okay. Where is the verb?
Read.
Read. Okay, good. Number 9.
9.
Was it cold?
Was it cold?
Where
Was
is it
it
called?
cold?
Yeah.
What is
Was
called?
it called? It is interrogative sentence. Was it called? Number 10. You must know to answer this, right?
I cleaned.
I
I
cleaned
Clean.
the pool yesterday. Okay, I will show you the answers. Now, this one is were, cleaning, jumping, being, reading, scare, play, did, was, and clean. Nah, after you answer all the questions, I will share a table or LKPD for you. Jadi saya akan mengirimkan sebuah LKPD untuk kalian kerjakan secara berkelompok ya, berdasarkan kalimat rumpang yang harus kalian isi. Nah, Ibu mau nanya dulu nih kepada Reni. Number 4. Number 4, he was being polite. What is
Yes.
the sentence? What is the tense used in the sentence? Number 4.
Past continuous.
Past continuous. Okay. Number 6, she was scared. What is the sentence?
Simple past.
Simple past.
Good job. Now, I will show you LKPD. There are 5 tables. Number, kalimat tumpang yang telah dilengkapi, lalu jenis tenses, kalimat tumpang yang telah diubah ke dalam bentuk positif, negatif, atau interrogatif, dan juga sama ya. Seperti misalnya contohnya nomor 1, tadi kalimatnya adalah Anna and William were not playing in the garden. Nah, kalian nanti tulis di sini, di Anna and William were not playing in the garden, and then you
Jenis
guess
tense.
the tense, and then
Okay.
you write bentuknya negatif atau bentuk interrogatifnya, karena tadi kan kalimatnya adalah kalimat kalimat negatif karena kan ada not.
Negatif ya.
Yes, Anna and William were not playing in the garden is a negative sentence, and then you put on the column number second, the second column you put the kalimat rumpang, and then you guess the tenses. Tadi kan kalimat negatif, berarti di sininya kalian tulis kalimat positif dan juga kalimat interrogatifnya dirubah ya, seperti itu.
Iya.
Nah, Ibu kasih waktu kalau tidak cukup, ini sudah berapa menit ya saya?
I think time is up, Miss.
I think your time is
Okay,
enough.
because time is up, ini I will give you as a homework that you have to finish at your home with your friends, and then on the next meeting, you have to show your assignment to be presented in front of the people, ya, in front of your friends, begitu. Nah, jadi dari penjelasan ini yang sudah kita pelajari, adakah yang ingin kalian tanyakan? Is there any question you want to?
Oh,
No, ma'am. It's a clear.
everything is clear.
The
Okay.
explanation is so good, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. If there is no any question, I hope you understand what I explained to you. Kesimpulannya tadi apa yang bisa kalian ambil dari pelajaran tadi? The conclusion, can you tell us the conclusion?
Verbal sentences, nominal sentences.
And then what else?
Past tense is
Past
used
tense.
to tell about the things has been done in the past.
Okay, good job. And then past continuous?
The
Plus
activity
ing.
was
Plus to be was over plus verb.
Okay, so the past tense, the formula of past tense is subject plus verb, second verb, and then object, and then past continuous, the formula subject, to be past tense, was or were, and then verb ing, and then object. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. In the next meeting, we will study about the generic structure of narrative text. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.